To check the Google Pixel 9 Pro warranty, we need to open up our browser and we need to Google for Google Pixel warranty check. We will then see the check warranty eligibility Google website. This is the official Google website, and so we'll go into it. We will then start the warranty helper. Then we will make sure we are signed in to the correct Gmail account. We will then choose the Google Pixel. We will then select the warranty status and options. And if you are signed into the same Google account, it typically just shows your phone immediately. You can see all of my Google Pixels here, and the Google Pixel 9 is showing the serial number, and we could tap on continue. If for some reason you don't see your phone, then we need to select I don't see my device. You then open settings. You look for about phone, and in about phone, you select the model, and then you see the serial number here. We can long press that one to copy that serial number, and then you'd enter that one in. Once done, it will show your phone's information. So we can see that we have the Pixel 9 Porcelain, whatever that is, and we can see the warranty start date and then the warranty expiration date. And so we can see all of that information, and then we are, good to go.